Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. If you haven't subscribed this channel so far, click this button down below. Also click little bell next to it. It's the notification button, so you'll be notified about all new videos on this channel and of course about new lessons from this series. Today we will talk about these characteristic movements in our hands when it comes to oriental dance, and we will try to do two basic movements on which I think almost all other are based. And these two movements will be all about our wrists. A great exercise to move our wrist is to catch our fingers on the tips and put our arms in one line. The elbow stays in one place. Here the fingers also stay in one place, and we try to work with our wrists up and down, up and down, up and down. So I'm not moving this hand, which is holding the other hand. I'm working with my wrist up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And the other hand does the same. So up, down, elbow stays in one place, up, down, up, down, up, down. And with this up and down movement, we can do a kind of wave in our hand using our wrist, using our knuckles and fingers. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got a couple of breaking points which are causing a wave in our hands. And the same also goes, of course, for the left hand. So wrists and knuckles, wrist, knuckles, and all the bones in our fingers are involved in doing the wave. But the most important part is the wrist working up and down without our elbow. So it's not like this, elbow stays in one place, and what is working is our wrist. And the second movement we exercise in the same way, but now we want to do a round movement with our wrist. So we are also using the up and down directions, but we also want to twist it a little bit. And we always do the circle outside. So out, outside, and outside, and outside. And the technique stays the same, so elbow in one place. Here nothing is moving, you're working with your wrist outside, and outside, and outside, and outside. And the same goes for the left leg, hands. Outside and outside. It would be funny to do it with our legs. Maybe I will try for the next episode. Up and outside, and outside, and outside. And this movement is necessary to do circles in our wrists, but you see it's not hands and fingers working, so you don't want to do it like this using your fingers and doing all these circles. Fingers are almost pointing down to the floor all the time, and then you are working with your wrists outside, 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 outside. And now we can do circles, moving our hands up, and a circle, and a circle, 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 circle. And now we're using the wave in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. And once again, circle, 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 and in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And these two movements, this wave and this circle, are the basis of all other hand movements in oriental dance. So if you like this episode, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below how it went for you, what was easy, what was difficult, did you manage to do both movements? And if you have any more questions or doubts, also leave a comment below and I will answer. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below to be notified about new lessons and new videos from this and other series on my YouTube channel. And of course, let's meet here next week for the new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira. Thank you very much for your time and see you soon. Bye!